Guys, in this episode, I'm going to be fitting this bad boy into the Golf R and getting the interior to be looking in pristine condition once again. So if that's what you want to see, make sure you stay tuned. Guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another episode from Salvage Nation. If you're new to the channel, yes you, if you're new to the channel, please go down below, click subscribe and make sure your bell notifications are on. I'm trying to get to 10K subscribers. Once I get to 10K, I'm gonna be doing a massive giveaway. So subscribe, take part, and if you like my content, make sure you give me a thumbs up. In this episode, as you've just seen, it's all about the interior on my MK6 Golf R. I'm gonna be refitting the dashboard, refitting the seat belts, and I've got a complete airbag kit to refit, and there's lots of other bits and bobs. Also, I got a delivery of a track rod end that I needed because my one, I realized it was damaged, so we're gonna be fitting that in this episode as well. If we can get everything together, maybe we might be able to get the car out, I'm not sure, but we're gonna try our best. So, let's get going. Right guys, so there's my dashboard, that's the new dashboard. The passenger side airbag is already connected to the dashboard. I've got two front seat belts, I've got a knee airbag. This is my track rod in that's come from Euro Parts, and I've also got some other bits and bobs, but check the car. It's an absolute mess inside. Have a look at that, it's rubbish, it's a mess. However, check this out guys, it starts. And it sounds good, and it looks good. But it's lit up like a Christmas tree, and that's because a lot of the sensors and everything that the engine needs to run and the car just needs, it's all unplugged because I removed my blown dashboard. So let's get this into there. I just removed the battery because I always get told off when I forget to remove the battery. So the battery's off. So have a look at that guys, the dash is in, things are starting to look really nice. However, it's getting really late, so I'm gonna catch you guys in the morning. But before I go, let's hear a cold start. Like, this car sounds so nice. I can't wait to hear it, like really warmed up, really out. Right, I'll see you guys in the morning. Right guys, it's the next morning here and I'm back to complete the job on my 2012 MK6 VW Golf R interior. But I've got a late start because I've been working all morning on the Porsche, and as you can see, we finally got the roof to work. But you would have seen that already because that video is gonna drop before this video. Anyway, we're back on the interior of this car. Have a look. It's an absolute mess. And by the end of this episode, we're gonna have this looking like brand new again. So let's continue with exactly where we left off last night. So I had to remove the whole thing, everything I did last night, I had to undo it because I forgot to put this little sensor, which is for that plug up right there, and that's the demister. I've done this before. If you forget to plug this in, your windscreen will just keep getting misted up, and it's just worth all the work to put this little sensor in. So now the sensor is in, I can continue to put this back in place. Oh my God, ladies and gentlemen, there we have it. Guys, the dash is back in, the interior of the car is looking pristine again, and that was the objective of this episode. Tell me what you think in the comments down below. I've refitted my entire airbag kit. It was, normally I'm quite fast at these, but this one was very intricate, and I hate doing dashboards because you always get little tiny blisters and cuts and bruises on your fingers. So it's back in. There's a couple of things that I need to do before I go, and that is fit my track rod in so that the car has got steering again. And the next thing I want to do is I just want to go ahead and fasten down some more little bits and bobs in the engine bay to really secure that ECU and some other bits. Check it out. So I want to fit the scuttle panel I want to fit all of these little protective kind of bits. If you look here, there's a rubber seal right on that one. And what that does is it protects the water from going down there, because now that the car's running and driving, if we need to take it out at any point, I don't want to leave it and let water run down there. And look, water will be running directly onto my engine ECU. So that is the plan. I've got a brand new part. I need to jack the car up, take the wheels off, fit the track rod in, and then fit the engine bits. So let's crack on. There you have it, guys. It's been a very productive day at the office. I got the dashboard in. I got the airbag kit completely in. I managed to sort out that track rod arm. I managed to do a little bit more assembly in the engine bay. Oh my God, I'm knackered. In the next episode, I want to sort out this mess. Hopefully by then, my new rad pack would have arrived and I can do the final assembly on the front. I've got the slam panel somewhere in the back. I'll assemble everything on the front. But yeah, guys, check it out. The cars, it literally just looks really nice now. Ugh. Have a look. It actually looks like a proper cockpit. Start. And I've had it running before, so I'm not just revving it on a cold engine. Everything, it actually feels like a proper car again. And now my steering works, everything works as it should. Put that down. Still got a couple of lights on, but like I said, it's because it's still got a lot of sensors and everything off the front end that the engine requires, but I am happy. Everything is working. The airbag light is on because I just need to clear the codes. I've fit the driver's side airbag, and apologies for the lighting. Let me see if I switch, yeah. So I've changed the driver's side airbag, changed the passenger side airbag, and went ahead and changed the knee airbag, which is down below as well. Everything is running nice. But check it out, guys. It's lovely, 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 lovely. Anyway, it's getting super late. I've been here all day. I'm tired. So unfortunately, this is where we're going to be ending the episode. If you've enjoyed this episode, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, make sure you smash the subscribe button. I've got a new build, it's coming very soon, and I'm gonna be doing something special with that build. It's a sponsored build, and I'm working with a few companies, so stay tuned for that. You don't wanna miss that. In the next episode on this, like I said, I want to assemble the front end. There's still quite a lot of work to do on this car before we can take it for a first test drive, but we're one step closer after installing all of this stuff. So, like I said, I'm knackered. I'm gonna head off. I hope you've enjoyed, and like I always say, keep it moving, and I'll see you in the next one.